hat is a little too casual, so let me take it off and stop hiding my pandemic haircut for this video. We truly hope everyone in the industry is doing their very best to handle this pandemic. At Paradigm Sample, thinking we have about 6 months where we have to hunker down, and being a company focused on team building activities for our global team, we had to come up with new ways to do this. So two of our employees, Kathleen and Ruby, came up with a paradigm cooking contest. Really brought our team together at a really critical time in our life. As a company, we just finished our mid-year update and it was much stronger than anticipated. So we're very excited about that. Of course, like everybody else, we are bracing for a marathon pandemic versus the half marathon that we initially anticipated. So we're coming up with more and more ways to get in better physical and mental shape as a business to address the ups and downs we have coming. Enjoy the wonderful Paradigm Sample team. They're cooking with joy.
There you guys are. Today I want to walk you through the steps to whip up something I like to call St. Pete salad. As the name suggests, my wife and I came up with this little recipe while we were vacationing in beautiful St. Pete, Florida.
Hi, Curran. Welcome to Katie's Cooking Channel. Today we're going to be making Caribbean pork chops with cinnamon apples.
While we wait for this to cook, I want to talk to you all about recontacts.
And everyone always loves it.
I'm not actually talking about recontacts.
To start, the first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit.
And also we discuss if the egg biryani came first or the chicken biryani came first. So let's begin the procedure.
And moving to chicken.
Hi guys, so this time I have prepared a snack and you can have it next time you're going to Netflix and chill.